In this tutorial, we are building a journey to add Google Tasks for new Outlook emails. So let's start. Select Outlook as trigger. Next, choose Get Email as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Choose the label, in this case, Inbox. In steps, we have to add a new task in Google Tasks. For that, select Google Task. Choose Create Task as action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, enter the task list. Add task title using Outlook app data. We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, now go to Outlook, compose a new email, add a subject, then go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Go back to Google Task. You will see that a new task has been created. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to generate a new task on Google Tasks when an email is received on Outlook. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.